Hi there and welcome to our introduction to chatbots. It's Simon here again, and over the next few videos we're going to have a closer look at chatbots and their uses, but I want to start by having a look at what makes chatbots so effective and why we're seeing such good results for stuff like lead generation, increased checkout conversions, customer service and a whole load of other things. But to start with, just in case anybody isn't aware, let's have a very quick look at what a chatbot is, which is basically a bit of software that communicates with your customers from inside a widget or an app that typically sits on the bottom corner of your website. You can see on screen now, I'm showing you an example here, and it's very much like a live chat service. So when you open it, it starts communicating with you. But the good thing is we don't have to pay anybody to communicate with our customers, and we can build extremely engaging and extremely effective chatbots. But why do they work so well? And there's obviously many reasons for this, and certainly more than I can fit into this short video. But one of the main reasons is how the world communicates right now. If you consider how much people love using messenger apps to communicate with their friends, their family, and their colleagues, whether it's through iMessage, WhatsApp, Messenger, or Slack, this is how we're communicating. So it makes perfect sense to carry that behavior through to how we market to people on our websites. And actually, there's more people now using the top 4 messaging apps than there are users on the top 4 social networks, which is massive. And also, with regards to the bots themselves, the complexity of them is also changing, allowing us to do more and more with them. And we know from personal experience that you never ever stop developing new chatbot features and new AI technology. So chatbots are certainly here to stay. There's no doubt that their use is going to grow and grow as technology develops. And for me, now is the perfect time to get involved and learn how to build engaging and effective chatbots.